Welcome back to Mady English Practice. I'm Mady.
And I'm Jules. Today we are looking at two words that are all about heaviness, but one is a thing and the other is an action.
A thing and an action. That sounds like a classic grammar trap. What are the words today?
The words are weight and weighs.
Oh, weight and weighs. Yes. English learners get trapped by these because they sound almost exactly the same out loud, but the rules are totally different.
Exactly. Let's start with weight. W-E-I-G-H-T, with a T at the end. This word is a noun. It is the actual measurement of how heavy something is.
Right, because it is a noun, it is a thing. You can put words like the or my right in front of it.
Let's look at a real scenario. Imagine you were packing a giant suitcase for a long vacation.
Oh, and you know the airline has a very strict limit. If the bag is too heavy, you have to pay extra money.
Exactly. So you look at your bag and you tell your partner, I need to check the weight of this suitcase. You are talking about the measurement as a physical thing.
Perfect. Now let's look at the second word, weighs, W-E-I-G-H-S, with an S at the end. This word is a verb. It is the action of having a certain heaviness.
Let's go back to the exact same airport scenario. You lift your heavy suitcase and place it on the big scale at the check-in desk.
You cross your fingers and hope the number isn't too high.
But the screen flashes and the agent says, your suitcase weighs 50 pounds. The suitcase is doing the action of being 50 pounds heavy.
But this is exactly where the big grammar mistake happens. Because the words sound so similar, English learners often try to mix the T and the S together. They will point at the bag and say, it weighs 50 pounds.
Yes, we hear that mistake all the time, and it is grammatically incorrect. You cannot use weight with a T as an action verb. You have to choose. You either say, the weight is 50 pounds, or it weighs 50 pounds.
I have a great memory trick for our learners to help them choose. Weight with a T usually goes with the word the, which also starts with a T, the weight.
That is brilliant. And weighs with an S is an action verb, just like runs, jumps, or plays.
Your homework for today. Think about your favorite pet or a heavy object in your room. Practice making two sentences out loud, one asking about the weight and one saying how much it weighs.
Mastering the difference between nouns and action verbs is a huge step forward in your English journey. You are doing fantastic.
Thanks for joining us today. Keep practicing, keep listening, and keep growing.
Don't let English grammar bear too much weight on your shoulders. See you next time on Mady English Practice.